Have you ever wished you could sit down with the YouTube algorithm and just ask it what you're doing wrong? What videos should I make? Why isn't my channel growing? What does my audience actually want? Well, today, that idea is a lot closer to reality. In this video, we're going to explore a powerful tool called vidIQ AI Coach, an AI assistant that analyzes your channel, learns how you create, and then gives you personalized recommendations to help you grow faster and smarter. So, without wasting any time, let's see what it does, how it works, and how you can start using it right now. When most people search how to grow on YouTube, they hear the same advice over and over again. Upload more, make better thumbnails, be consistent. And yes, those things matter, but there is a problem with it too. None of those tips actually tell you what you personally need to fix, because every creator is completely different. Some channels are educational, some are entertainment, some rely on storytelling. Some rely on tutorials, and each one attracts a totally different audience. Your viewers have their own habits, different ages, different interests, different watch times, different attention spans. Your channel might perform better with longer videos, while someone else's channel blows up with short, punchy content. Your posting schedule might suit your audience on weekends, while another creator's audience shows up late at night. So when someone gives you one-size-fits-all advice, it's kind of like a doctor prescribing the same medicine to every patient without even checking what's wrong. That's why so many creators feel frustrated. They're working hard, they're uploading, they're being consistent, but growth still feels random. And that's where this smarter tool comes in. Instead of guessing, this tool, vidIQ AI Coach, actually looks at your real data. Which videos people click on, where viewers drop off, which topics attract subscribers, and which formats perform poorly. Then, instead of vague advice, it gives you feedback that is specific to your channel, your audience, and your style. Think of it like having a YouTube coach, a coach that understands your analytics better than you ever could, and uses them to guide your next move. So, let's first talk about this tool and why every creator needs to use it. At its core, the AI Coach is a smart assistant built specifically for YouTube creators. It combines two powerful things: a GPT-powered conversation engine, so you can talk to it like a real coach, direct access to your channel analytics through vidIQ, so it actually understands your content. That means you're not just chatting with a robot that gives generic advice. You're talking to something that knows your channel, your videos, and your audience behavior. When you log in, you simply open the AI Coach and start typing, just like sending a message. You can ask it questions creators ask every single day, like, what type of videos perform best on my channel? Who is my audience, and what do they respond to? Why am I not gaining more subscribers? What should I post next if I want more growth? And then instead of guessing and repeating cliches, the AI digs straight into your data. It looks at things like how many people clicked on your videos, how long they actually stayed and watched, and when viewers dropped off, which topics bring in new subscribers, which videos get ignored, and how your channel is trending over time. It studies your views, likes and dislikes, watch time, audience retention, subscribers gained and lost, and then it turns all that raw information into something humans can actually use: clear, specific advice. So instead of hearing, just improve your thumbnails, you might hear, your audience clicks more on tutorial-style titles with numbers, and they respond better to 8 to 10 minute videos than short ones. Or instead of post more content, it might say, you gain the most subscribers when you upload midweek, and videos about this topic perform 40% better than the rest of your channel. That's what makes it powerful. It's not copying someone else's strategy, it's learning your channel and helping you build a strategy around it. Getting started with vidIQ AI Coach is surprisingly simple, and you don't need to be techie to use it. First, log into your vidIQ account like you normally would. Once you're in, head over to the web app and look for the AI Coach tab at the top of the screen. Click it, and instantly you'll be taken to a chat window. It looks and feels just like messaging a friend, and you don't even have to know what to ask. Right inside the page, vidIQ provides helpful sample prompts designed to get you started. For example, you could try something like, what are my audience demographics and how can I create content that fits them better? And once you choose a prompt and hit enter, the AI starts analyzing your channel. It pulls information from your videos, your performance history, and your viewer behavior, and within seconds, it gives you suggestions you can actually take action on. You can then keep the conversation going, ask follow-up questions, dig deeper into specific videos, test new content ideas. You might say, what should I improve about my last upload? Which type of content brings in the most subscribers? Is my posting schedule helping or hurting my channel? And the AI will keep responding, building on what it already knows about your channel. Over time, you can come back, ask new questions, compare advice, and refine your strategy step by step. Now, here's where things really start to get powerful. Once the AI coach has access to your channel, it doesn't just look at one video at a time, it scans your entire library and begins connecting the dots. It breaks everything down into clear categories. Your top performing videos, the ones that struggled, your newest uploads, and everything in between. From there, it begins searching for patterns most creators miss because they're buried inside the analytics. Maybe your longer, more detailed videos consistently perform better than the short ones. Maybe tutorial-style content holds attention longer than commentary or reaction videos. Maybe certain topics quietly attract more subscribers than others, even if they don't get the most views. What the AI does is take all those scattered numbers, views, retention graphs, click-through rates, and turns them into something practical. Insights you can actually use to make better decisions. So, for example, if you ask, how can I increase my subscribers? It won't just give you usual answers like, just upload more. Instead, it shows you where in your videos people stop watching, which moments cause viewers to click away, which topics or formats bring in the most new subscribers, and where your channel is losing potential growth. That way, instead of blindly experimenting, you start creating content with purpose. You begin to understand not just what is happening on your channel, but why it's happening. And once you know the why, you can finally build a real strategy around it. Now, we've talked about analytics, the numbers, the graphs, the insights. But this AI coach goes beyond simply telling you what's happening. It actually helps you create better content from the start. Inside the chat, you can treat it like a creative partner. You can ask it to brainstorm brand new video ideas, help outline or draft full scripts, suggest better, clearer titles, and propose thumbnail concepts that grab attention. For example, you can ask it something like, give me 5 video ideas based on my best performing topics. In seconds, it scans your channel history, finds themes your audience already loves, and gives you ideas designed specifically to fit your viewers. Or maybe you already have an idea in mind, but you're not sure how to structure it. You can say, write a script outline for a 6-minute tutorial about this idea. The AI will break it down into sections, introduce pacing, add hooks, and suggest where to place key talking points, saving you hours of planning. You can also refine titles and thumbnails with it. Just ask it to make this title more clickable. What kind of thumbnail style would work for this video? And it will give you options, inspiration, and direction. But here's something important. The AI isn't here to replace your creativity. It doesn't tell your stories for you. It doesn't understand your personality the way you do. Instead, it works like a creative assistant, speeding up brainstorming, organizing your ideas, and helping you stay focused on what your audience actually wants. You will need to still bring the voice, bring the style. You still need to bring the passion. The AI simply helps you shape those ideas faster and smarter. As creators, we're no longer stuck guessing at what works and what doesn't. With this tool, we finally have something that studies our channels, understands our audiences, and guides us with real data-driven advice. And remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to amplify your creativity, speed up your workflow, and help you build the channel you've always wanted. Now, before you go, If you're excited about using AI to grow smarter, not harder, then you definitely don't want to miss another video on our channel about unlocking the future of language learning through the best AI tools for 2026. In that video, we dive into some of the most powerful AI tools shaping the future of learning, tools that make studying faster, easier, and way more engaging. If you're curious about what AI can really do beyond YouTube, that video is going to open your eyes. So, when you're done here, make sure to check it out. It's one of the most exciting breakdowns we've ever made. See you there.